In this video, we're going to explore the basics of Python Turtle through 10 simple and fun examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of how to move the turtle, draw basic shapes, customize colors, adjust speed, write text, and control the drawing window. Each example builds on what you learned before, so feel free to follow along step by step. Let's begin with the very first example. To start things off, we'll make the turtle move forward. This is the simplest way to understand how Turtle works. We begin by creating the window, shrinking it to a comfortable size, and making the pen thicker so the line is easy to see. Then we instruct the turtle to move forward a certain distance. When you run the code, you'll see the turtle glide straight ahead, leaving a bold line behind it. The result is a clear, straight stroke that shows how forward movement works. Next, we'll learn how to turn the turtle to the right and left. After preparing the window and pen just like before, we move the turtle forward, rotate it to the right, draw again, turn left, and draw once more. When you run this example, you'll watch the turtle rotate between movements, creating sharp corners in its path. The output looks like a set of connected segments with visible turns, helping you understand how direction changes work. Now it's time to draw a square. Just like before, we set up the window and pen, but this time we repeat the same move and turn pattern 4 times. As the turtle traces each side and turns 90 degrees, you'll see a clean square appear on the screen. The output is a nicely shaped box, showing how repetition and consistent angles make drawing shapes easy. Let's move on to drawing a circle. Turtle actually has a built-in way to draw perfect circles, so this example is simple but impressive. After the usual setup, we tell the turtle to draw a circle with a certain radius. When the code runs, you'll see the turtle move smoothly around a circular path without needing any manual turning. The result is a clean, round shape that demonstrates how helpful Turtle's built-in functions can be. For something a little more colorful, we'll now change the pen color. After preparing the screen and pen size, we set a new color and draw a line. When you run this example, the turtle leaves a bright colored stroke that instantly stands out from the default black. It's a small change with a big visual impact and a great way to make drawings more expressive. In the next example, we'll adjust the turtle's drawing speed. Sometimes Turtle moves slowly, especially when drawing bigger shapes, so increasing the speed can be useful. After setting up the screen and pen, we increase the speed and draw a simple shape. When you run it, you'll notice the turtle moves much faster, making the drawing appear almost instantly. This shows how speed control can help you work more efficiently. I want to give a small tip. If you pass 0 to the speed function, the drawing happens instantly. I recommend using it in situations where you need maximum speed. Now let's look at how to move the turtle without drawing anything. We draw a short line, lift the pen so the turtle can move invisibly, move ahead to a new position, and then put the pen back down to continue drawing. When this runs, you'll see 2 separate lines with a blank space between them. It's a very useful technique when you want to reposition the turtle without leaving marks on the canvas. It's time for another shape, a triangle. Just like before, we prepare the window and pen, then move the turtle and turn it by 120 degrees, repeating this 3 times. When the example runs, the turtle creates a perfect triangle. The final output shows how choosing the correct turn angle creates different geometric shapes. We'll also explore how to write text on the screen. After setting up the canvas, we use Turtle's built-in text function to display a message in a bold, readable font. When you run this, the text appears right on the drawing area, making it perfect for labels, titles, or fun messages inside your Turtle projects. The output is simple but powerful, showing that Turtle isn't only for drawing lines. Finally, let's personalize the environment by changing the background color. We set the window size, choose a gentle new background color, and draw a short line on top of it so the contrast is easy to see. When the code runs, you'll immediately notice the different atmosphere created by the new background. It's a great way to make your drawing space more visually appealing and tailored to your style. And that brings us to the end of all 10 examples. If you enjoyed this video, there is an amazing playlist about Turtle waiting for you in the courses section. I highly recommend checking it out. To support us, you can join our YouTube channel and subscribe. And as always, keep learning.